Welcome back. Okay, so this is part 3 of this series of videos. Okay, in the earlier class I asked a question. Okay, this is a logic question in the sense, what, an alien question. Let's say this is an alien question. You see, in this file there is height. Okay, there's different height, isn't it? How do we get it in Revit? How do we draw it? One by one we'll draw it, isn't it? Okay, just for people who have not seen the earlier videos, okay, this is a linked AutoCAD file. Okay, this is a linked AutoCAD file. Okay, the topography. So my question is, how do we get the elevations of this topography file? Okay, the answer is as follows. Go to massing and sighting. Okay, and then click your friend topo surface. Any comments? Okay. Then click create import. Okay, and then select import instance. You're going to see magic come couple of seconds now. Okay, so he's going to let's say AutoCAD or Revit is going to give you the options of what all layers exist. Okay, check what all you need. This one and the building, isn't it? The building is coming up, and say okay. Okay, now you see he has given you the points, isn't it? If you can just orbit around, just a second. Okay, so you have I hope it is not mesmerizing you. Okay, anyway, should have been considered, this video should have been the mesmerizing video. Okay, you get the picture, isn't it? Okay, if you want to see the color, just a second, say okay. Okay, you think, John, nothing has happened. Yeah, just a second, just change it to shaded. Okay, so this is the topo surface. Now what we need to do, we need to make the building. Okay, I want you to, it's called the building pad. Okay, so what I want you to tell me in the comment section, John, how would I do it? Okay, so because we'll be having different elevations for it, isn't it? I want you to tell me in the comment section. Okay, so I think in the next video or something, okay, I will teach you how to do it. Okay, we're going to start making the building pad of this project. Okay, take care, and we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.